This is a message from my client David. He got 10 dates lined up in just 20 days. In his method, he simply incorporated these 5 masculine traits that make any man more desired by women. And the 5th trait is the one that he used to get girls from ghosting him to blowing up his phone asking him to hang out. So if you want to get results like him and all my other clients, make sure you watch and you click the link down below to learn all my secrets. Starting with the first step that almost transformed his results overnight. Stop waiting for permission. Here's the truth. In every social dynamic, someone is leading and the other is just following along. And most men are followers. They wait, they second guess, and they always look for signs for it to be safe, to ask her out, to kiss her, to escalate, to lead, to be a man. And they tiptoe through the entire dating process like they need some sort of permission slip. And for women, it's a turnoff. It drains the tension, it kills the spark, and it screams, I don't trust myself, so why should you? So here's the reality check. The best looking women won't take the lead. They have too many choices. And why would she pick you when there's 10 other confident guys texting her who make it easy to say yes? If you can't lead, she'll just stop talking to you. So here's the truth. She doesn't want to be in control. She wants to trust that you know what you're doing. From the first text to the first date to the first time you make a move. How to lead. You don't ask her where she wants to go on a first date. You tell her a good place with confidence. Don't wait to see if she wants to kiss you. Take your time, look in her eyes, pull her close, and say, come here, like you already know what's happening. The modern problem. In 2026, men are less confident and less sure of themselves than ever. And honestly, women are tired of it. She wants to feel picked, not chased. And when you take charge, she gets to do what every woman wants to do deep down, which is relax and follow your lead. If you want to use this today, here's your new rule. Don't ask what she wants. Decide what you want and invite her to join you. You pick the day, pick the time, pick the plan, and watch how fast she respects you when you stop waiting and you start leading. Trait number 2, be unshakable. Even if you take charge, it won't work out if she doesn't feel safe with you. Getting her attention is one thing, but making her feel safe is what makes her stay. Every woman asks herself one big question: am I safe with him? If the answer is yes, she relaxes. If it's no, you're done. The I've got you signal. Women like men who show I've got you. It's not about words, it's your body language, your voice, how you look at her. When you're calm and in control, you move through life like a man who can handle problems. Physical danger, drama, awkward moments, nothing bothers you. What she really wants. At the end of the day, a woman wants to know she's safe with you, not just from danger, but emotional safe too. She wants to know you're a safe person she can open up to and trust completely. The small things. This shows up in small ways. Walk on the outside of the sidewalk. Pull her closer when it gets crowded. Stand between her and big groups of people. Give out your arm when she's wearing heels. Keep your voice calm when she's stressed or worried. When you do all of this naturally, you create a feeling of safety. You become her protector, and that feeling is rare. It's masculine, and it's exactly what makes a woman feel attracted to you, especially when you add in the next trait. Trait number 3, calm under pressure. Stay calm under pressure. Most guys let women control their emotions. They explain too much, fall for tests, or put her down to feel better about themselves. Remember, women will test you emotionally. She'll say something to see if you can handle it, to see if you get upset. And this is how she knows if you're really who you say you are. Staying calm when tested. When you don't get upset, when you stay calm and steady, you become the man in control. And that's what makes her trust you and want you. She can cry, complain, tease, and even push your buttons, and you don't fall apart. You don't get emotional with her. You stay calm, not a robot. Now, don't get confused. Staying calm doesn't mean being a robot with no feelings. It means you don't get shaken easily. You still have feelings, you just don't let them control you. Now, I need to say this. If you're watching this and thinking, I see where I've been messing up, and you're ready to start actually getting results instead of watching other men live the life that you want, here's what to do. Click the first link below and see how you can get the girl of your dreams within 8 weeks using subconscious reconditioning. It's a 2-phase clinical system using hypnotherapy to rewire your subconscious to generally believe that you're the prize, then teaching you techniques to rewire her subconscious to value you above millionaires or anyone else in her DMs. You can't out money, out status, or out looks the competition, but you can out psychology them. And that's the only strategy that works for normal guys in the dating market. This is what I did with my client David. He went from boring first dates that ended up with nice to meet you or I don't feel a connection to girls wanting to see him again and again consistently. If you're ready to become that guy, click the link below. Trait number 4 is be direct. Staying calm is important, but the best men combine calm with something else just as powerful: being direct. Here's the hard truth. Most successful men become yes men around beautiful women. They make decisions at work and speak up in business. But when it's a pretty woman sitting across from them, they turn to this nice guy who is scared to say anything that might upset her. The problem: the fake niceness pushes women away. When you can't say what you really think, you show her you can't lead, because real masculine direction isn't about being mean or rude. It's saying what you really think and feel without being scared or sorry. It makes women feel safe. But why? Because she knows what you really think. She doesn't have to guess, because your honesty just builds trust. And when it's time to get physical, being direct is what makes it feel good instead of awkward. Which brings us to the next thing that makes women really interested. Trait number 5, show you like her. 99% of men are scared of showing they like a woman. When they like a woman, they hide it or act unsure so much that it doesn't work. You give her a compliment with a shaky voice, you look away when she catches you staring, you hide that you like her behind a nice conversation. Why this doesn't work? This halfway scared approach is why she doesn't feel attracted to you. Your fear of showing you like her is killing any chance of attraction. And the truth is, the thing that creates instant attraction is this: showing you like her without being scared. Own it. It's about fully showing you like her in a way that makes her feel special and wanted. When you do it right, this feels magnetic to her. It gives her the feeling of being wanted, not in a creepy way, but in a real, authentic way. And it's the power of owning it fully. You don't need her to like you back. You don't need her to feel the same way about you. And you're okay showing you like her with or without her liking you back. What makes you different? That's what makes you different from other guys. You're not trying to get her approval. You're just being honest and raw about what you feel. Final question. Now that you know these 7 traits, here's my question for you. Are you actually going to use them? Or will you be like 99% of the men who just watch and never do anything? Because here's the truth. It's better to pull the trigger knowing only 1% of what I teach than to be the guy who knows everything but still can't get dates. Because knowledge without action is worthless. So right now you have 2 choices. Choice number 1, you close this video, do nothing, and stay exactly where you are, watching other guys succeed while you're stuck on the sidelines. And choice 2, you click the link below, see the results, book a call, and work with me personally to guide you step by step to getting a girlfriend or 2 within the next 8 weeks. The link is right there and the choice is yours. What's it going to be?